Thank you so much for an amazing response which I have received from my previous videos and series, and the comments were amazing. So I have decided to come up with one more series of 15 days for you guys. As an intermediate level practitioner and a beginner, you can practice both. I'll have more people practicing along with me in the video, where I'll be showing you the modification as a beginner and as an intermediate level of practitioner, how can you practice. So in these 15 days, you're going to stay with me and practice along with me. Warm up, Surya Namaskara, Asana and relaxation in the end. And yes, before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click a bell icon right next to it and click an option of all. Now, without further delay, let's start the practice. Today we are going to practice with Mamta and Raghu, yoga practitioners. Let's start with a quick warm up and then 10 Surya Namaskaras followed by asanas. If you feel like you want to do more Surya Namaskaras, you can go up to 15 and 20, and you see, depending on your capacity, you can continue. So let's get started. First, let's start with a neck rotation. Inhale, exhale, drop your neck down, move to the left, back, right and down. 3 more times. Inhale, give a nice stretch to the neck and exhale. Inhale, try to go slow. The last one. Inhale and exhale. Same thing other side. Exhale down, back, left and down. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Try to keep your eyes closed while you practice. And now come to center. From here, keep your both the hands to the shoulder. Now from down, 1, 2, last one, 4. Now same thing, opposite side. Open up your arms to anti-clockwise. 2, 3, last one, 4. Drop your hands down, relax your shoulders. From here, take your both the hands straight forward, make a fist. Now wrist rotation. 1, slow rotation. 2, 3, 4. Opposite side. These are basic warm-ups. If you have more, then please add them also to the practice. 1 more. And relax. Okay, so now we are going to start 10 Surya Namaskaras. If you want to add more, please feel free to do that. Okay. Now come to the edge of the mat. Palm together. First round, inhale up, back bend. Bend forward. Initially, you can keep your knee bent. Right leg back. Look forward. Left leg back to full plank. Exhale, knee down, chest down. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Come to Parvatasana. Get your right leg in between both the palms. Look forward. Left leg forward. Inhale, come up, back bend. Second one down. I'll just give you the counts. Move your left leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, third one, 3, right leg back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, fourth one, and your left leg back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, fifth one, right leg back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, left leg back, and sixth one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, seventh one, right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, eighth one, left leg back. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, ninth one, right leg back, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last one. Down, left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back bend and slowly drop your hands down, palm together. Drop your hands down. Keep your legs slightly apart from each other. Turn your palm to the center. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now just try to take a longer breath in, breath out. Try to relax your body here. Now, if you want, you can pause here and continue your rest of Surya Namaskara. If not, we'll continue further. Now, come to center. Let us start with Utkatasana. Okay? Palm together. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knee. From here, lift your hand up all the way. Keep your hands next to the ears. Inhale. Exhale, palm together, Namaskara Mudra. From here, turn towards to the right side. Both the palm together. Inhale and exhale. From here, we are turning to the other side. Keeping our elbow to the knee, palm together. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Drop your palm down, keep your knee bent. Okay, from here, if you can, then you jump back to full plank. If not, Mamta, take your leg one back, one, full plank. This is how you're gonna move. And if you can jump back, Raghu, jump back, lift and go back. Okay, from here, again we are going to jump forward. If you can, jump forward like me. Mamta, you hold and palm together. If not, just like Mamta and Raghu, you can take your leg forward one by one and palm together. Okay, from here take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now drop your left hand down on the floor, open up your chest, right hand goes all the way to the ceiling. Inhale, drop your right hand down, left hand goes out, open up your chest. Exhale, drop your hand down, get your both the palm next to the feet, in between both the feet. Now from here, try not to lift your palm up, or like Raghu, keep your only fingertips on the floor. Okay. Now from here, inhale, lift your hip up, exhale down. We're going to do this 10 times. 2, down, slowly, as slow as possible. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. From here, 6, up, down. 7, down. 8, up, down. 9, up, down. 10th one we are going to hold. Stay there. If you find it difficult, then Mamta and Raghu can relax. You can see as a beginner, otherwise you hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now again come back to this posture, leg back to full plank. From here, now if you are advanced practitioner, you can lift your one leg up and go to Ekapada Chaduranga, okay, and come to Bhujanga. If not, like Mamta, knee down, chest down, come to Bhujangasana. If you can go slightly better, then just Chaduranga with both the legs down, come to Bhujangasana. So you have these two variations, 3 variations in fact. Come to full plank again. Let us repeat. Left leg up for Ekapada Chaduranga, if you can, otherwise knee down, chest down, or complete Bhujangasana. Come to full plank. From here, let's jump or get our leg forward in between both the palm. Moving towards Utkatasana again. Hold. 5, 4, 3, keep your both the hands next to the ears. 2, 1, palm together. Turning towards the right side. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turning toward the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, drop your palm down. Depending on your capacity, either you jump back or take your leg back one by one. Inhale here. Exhale, jump forward or take your leg forward to Malasana. If you're not able to do Malasana, then you don't have to force yourself to do it. You can do a squat, a normal squat, okay? Now from here, drop your left hand down, then and there, open up your right hand all the way up. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your right hand down, open up your left hand all the way goes up. 5. Continue to breathe. 4, 3. I'm sure you can feel your thighs very well now, but then you have to hold on and stay. 2 and 1. Try not to give up, because giving up is not an option. Now this is a tough one, but I'm sure you are mentally ready for it. Drop your palm in between both the feet. From here, keep your shoulders wide and stable. From here, inhale up, down. Don't give up, let's complete. 9, down. 8, down. 7, down. Let's do few more. 6, down. 5, down. 5 more. 4, down. 3, down. 2, down. The last one we are going to hold. Don't give up. Let's complete together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now jump back to full plank. Now full plank is your resting posture, so just stay here. If full plank is difficult, you can drop your knee down. Like Mamta, drop your knee down. You can also hold here. So choose what is best for you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Either you do Ekapada Chaduranga or Ashtanga. Raghu, knee up and just do Chaduranga. Inhale up to Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, come to full plank. Okay. Now left leg all the way up, or you can do Ashtanga or Chaduranga. Down. Inhale, come up. Inhale. Exhale, come to full plank. Let us stay here for 10 counts. If you find it hard, you can drop your knee down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump in between both the palm or get your leg one by one. Come to Utkatasana. Last 5 counts. 5. Open up your chest. Make sure that your knee should not cross over. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Palm together. Relax. Now slowly release the stress from the thighs. I'm sure you can feel your thighs being warmed up. So there is no point if you don't feel your body, right? It's okay. Push yourself little more. If you feel little tired also, it's okay for few seconds. Once you're out of the posture, you will have no pain and you'll feel better. So just try to relax your thighs here. Have a gentle smile on your face. It's not a torture, but it's just a practice for yourself. Take a long breath in and long breath out. Now just to relax our thighs a little more, sit down on the floor. Keep your right leg out, spine straight, turn towards your right side. Now if you are a beginner, just keep your spine straight and move a little ahead and hold. Okay. If you want to know the exact alignments, lift your both the hands up straight, inhale. Exhale, drop your hands down how much ever your spine allows. If you can go further, then you can go ahead and drop your head down. Stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. You're not forcing yourself, you're just practicing how much your body is allowing you to practice today. Now fold your right leg in, unfold your left leg out. We're going to try the same thing other side. Lift your hands up straight. Exhale, bend forward if you can. If you think this is your limit, just hold. If you can go further, you can take your hands forward and drop your head down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come to Sukhasana. After a strong asana practice, you can practice a quick meditation. So now for this video, I'll keep it very short. If you want, you can pause here and stay for some more time if you want, maybe 10-15 minutes or half an hour, up to you. Okay. Sit in any comfortable posture like Vajrasana or the way Raghu is sitting Sukhasana. You choose your comfortable posture. Now both the hands in Chin Mudra and keep it on your thighs. Drop your shoulders down. You're going to close your eyes. Have a gentle smile on your face. Relax your forehead. Now the moment you relax your forehead and relax your face, you can see that your breath by default get longer and relaxed. Just observe the way you are breathing right now for some time. And if you think you're breathing fast, then with awareness, slow down your breath. Once you slow down your breath, you need to come back to your thoughts and you need to slow down your thoughts. Just observe what kind of a thoughts you're getting right now. And slowly try to avoid and get your focus back to the breath. You can continue to be with your breath for some more time. A complete silence in your mind and in your body. From here, either you continue to be in your meditation posture for some time, or you can go back to Shavasana. You can lie down on your back. Raghu and Mamta, you can lie down on your back. Hands apart, legs apart, lie down on your spine. Turn your palm to the ceiling. Make sure that you keep your toes completely relaxed and you keep your hands slightly away from the mat and you keep your fingers completely relaxed. As you breathe in and breathe out, try dropping your body weight on the floor. Even a Shavasana also can be a meditative posture where you relax yourself completely. All you have to do is be aware of what you're experiencing right now. Be aware of your spine, your breath. Drop your entire body weight on the floor, and you can see that you're feeling light and relaxed. A long breath in, a long breath out. Again, this is a posture where you can stay for as long as you can and as long as you feel comfortable. Once you feel relaxed, let's prepare ourselves to come back out of the posture. Now keep your hands and your legs closer to each other. Hands next to the body and legs closer to each other. Lift your right hand straight over the head on the floor. So keep it straight on the floor. Left hand on the stomach. Bend your knee, right knee, and slowly turn towards your right side and slowly sit up, and please turn towards me. Sit with any comfortable posture, again Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Keep your eyes closed. Now with a long breath in, long breath out. Get your both the palm together. Rub your both the palm. Drop it on your eyes. Once again rub your both the palm. Drop it on your face. Open your eyes. Look into your palm. Thank you. I hope you had a good practice, and I would love to know how was your day 1 out of 15. And please drop down your comment, and if you really enjoy the practice, don't forget to like the video. Only then I'll get to know that you have enjoyed. And keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Thank you, people.